What's up everybody? Welcome back to Sticker Teacher. This video is about introducing yourself. In this video, I'm gonna give you very basic Vietnamese phrases when you want to introduce yourself to other people. So, let's get started. The first thing I like to teach you is to ask someone's name. Bạn tên gì? What's your name? Bạn tên gì? So to answer this question, you start saying tên tôi là in your name. Tên tôi là Tâm. Tên tôi là Tâm. Or you can say tôi tên là Tâm. Or much easier, tôi tên Tâm. I usually use this phrase because it's quick and easy, but remember this answer is a little bit informal, just a little bit. They all mean my name is Tâm. So feel free to pick the one you like. Next, if you would like to know someone's age, it's totally okay, because in Vietnamese culture it's totally fine to ask someone's age. So feel free to ask as many Vietnamese people as possible. This question is for you. Bạn bao nhiêu tuổi? Bạn bao nhiêu tuổi? How old are you? Tôi 18 tuổi. Tôi 18 tuổi. I am 18 years old. As you can see that I highlighted the words in red. So tuổi means years old in English. By the way, I have a video about numbers 1 to 20. Check it out in the description. Now let's talk about where you are from. We have bạn đến từ đâu? Bạn đến từ đâu? Where are you from? Or where do you come from? This is how I tell you where I'm from in Vietnamese. Tôi đến từ Việt Nam. Tôi đến từ Việt Nam. In some region, people would say Việt Nam. The V sounds like Y in you, so like Việt Nam, but I don't say that anyway. Tôi đến từ Việt Nam. I'm from Vietnam, or I come from Vietnam. Another way to tell people what nationality you are is tôi là người Việt Nam. Tôi là người Việt Nam. I am Vietnamese. The rule is simple. You only need to add the word người before a country. So người means a person, not a thing. For example, tôi là người Mỹ. I am American. Tôi là người Nam Phi. I am South African. Tôi là người Trung Quốc. I am Chinese. Okay, you already know how to say your name, your age, your nationality. It's time to show that you are friendly and you don't bite. Say, rất vui được gặp bạn. Rất vui được gặp bạn. Nice to meet you. If someone says this to you, the easiest used phrase to reply to this is tôi cũng rất vui được gặp bạn. Tôi cũng rất vui được gặp bạn. Nice to meet you too. Or tôi cũng vậy. Tôi cũng vậy. This is the quickest way to say you too or me too. Okay, I have a conversation for you to practice so you can understand how to use these phrases better. Xin chào, bạn tên gì? Hello, what's your name? Chào bạn, mình tên Tâm. Còn bạn? Hi, my name is Tom. And you? Mình tên Charlotte. My name is Charlotte. Bạn bao nhiêu tuổi? How old are you? Mình 27 tuổi. Còn bạn? I'm 27 years old. And you? Mình cũng vậy. Me too. Bạn đến từ đâu? Where are you from? Mình đến từ Pháp, còn bạn? I am from France. How about you? Mình đến từ Việt Nam. I am from Vietnam. Enchanté. Bonjour. That's the end. You can use these phrases to connect with Vietnamese people all around the world. I promise they are friendly and they don't bite. Alright, thank you very much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't hesitate to give me likes, comments, and of course if you subscribe to my channel, that will be much appreciated. I'll see you on the next videos.
Chào tạm biệt.